Hello everyone, I am Bharti from Gyaniketan Girls School. Today in this video I am going to present the theme, message and summary of the poem titled Your World by Georgia Douglas Johnson. This poem has been taken from your course book Gulmohar. Let us start with the poet. Georgia Douglas Johnson was an African American poet. She was one of the earliest African American female playwrights and an important participant in the Harlem Renaissance. The Harlem Renaissance was an intellectual, social, and artistic explosion centered in Harlem, New York, spanning the 1920s. It is considered to have been a rebirth of the African American arts. Johnson wrote songs, plays, short stories, taught music, and performed as an organist at her church. She is also known for her collections of poetry, which are The Heart of a Woman, it was published in 1918, Bronze in 1922, An Autumn Love Cycle 1928, and Share My World 1962. Now we come to the theme of the poem. The central theme of this poem, titled Your World, revolves around self empowerment and recognizing one's own potential and the perseverance with which one can achieve his or her life goals. The poem describes the journey of a person recognizing his or her potential in the world, using a bird in flight as a metaphor to represent a person flying free from the limitations and making all efforts to reach the goal. Now, the message. The poem titled Your World by Georgia Douglas Johnson is a motivational and inspirational poem. The poet wants to convey the idea that how one can expand his or her own world by setting the life goals and achieving them with sheer determination and perseverance. The poet reminds the readers not to give up in life. She is of the view that everyone has his or her own little world and each of them is unique. Everyone has the potential to lead a life of his or her choice. It may happen that due to the prevailing conditions or some adverse circumstances, one is unable to explore and utilize his or her potential. But one thing is certain, that if a person is well determined and doesn't hesitate to take firm decisions and dares to stand against all odds, he or she will definitely achieve success and add glory to his or her life. Thus, this poem gives an optimistic outlook to the readers and inspires them to set their life goals and achieve them successfully. Now, the summary. As we have already discussed earlier, that this poem revolves around the idea of recognizing one's potential or caliber, setting or dreaming the life goals, and the endeavor one needs to attain that goal. The poem starts on a positive note with a suggestion given by the speaker. Here, the speaker is a bird. The speaker says that it is a person who decides his or her destiny. It all depends on a person how he or she wants to make his or her world. Then the speaker talks about her own life experience. She narrates that she lived in a place where she had no room to spread her wings. The poet has described it as the narrowest nest in a corner. Here, the poet has used this expression to symbolize the obstacles and restraints that may surround a person, and he or she finds it difficult to use his or her potential, abilities, or talent to pursue his or her dreams. But then she witnessed a lovely sight wherein she could see the distant horizon. The sight of the horizon filled her with immense passion and enthusiasm. She developed a very strong desire to make a flight to the horizon. She dreamt to reach the top of the sky. She realized that she needed to make room for herself so that she could open and spread her wings. She put aside all her fears and hit hard to come out of the narrowest nest and started flying up in the sky, aiming to reach the new horizon. She let nothing stand in her way and was overwhelmed with the pleasure of being liberated. Thus, the poem starts and ends in a hopeful and encouraging way. The speaker says that only you can decide how your life should be. I hope that you all have learned the message, you have understood the ideas conveyed by the poet. Thank you.